We're going to do a pendulum with the one dumbbell. Now, some of you have seen me do pendulum before on a previous video clip with Aqua tips, and I am particular about this exercise. Now, using the dumbbell actually to a certain degree makes it a little easier from a technical point of view. Now, you place your hands in the center, or you can press your palms up against the side. I quite like this option because it keeps my arms straighter. Yep. And it helps me pull my leg back to the center. So with a pendulum, you want to be bouncing off your toes and you want to be pulling that leg as close to the midline as possible, or to replace the previous footprint. Okay, so you try to bring that foot to where that one was, right? So the next thing you're trying to do is keep your body going vertical, not side to side. So you want to lift up vertical, which also helps with pulling the leg back into the center, and it keeps your spine upright. Once you start doing this business, legs spread apart, heart rate goes down, technique goes all over the shop. Now the next and the final important part is that the arms must go in the opposite direction to your legs. So you're going from side to side, you want the arms pulling across the body in the opposite direction. So spine vertical, arms this way, legs that way, and feet replacing the previous footprint in the water. All right, so there's a lot going on. So make sure that you're keeping your body nice and tall as you go from one side to the other. I always talk about lifting up from the crown of the head. Really cool exercise, and that's this week's Aqua tip. The pendulum with the dumbbell is a ripper of an exercise to demonstrate because there's lots of components to demonstrate. So remember I said something about having your hands on the side, but of course you can have your hands in the center. So I'll just demonstrate this one actually because that's what I was doing in the water. So hold the arms straight and you're hopping from one side to the other. Okay, so that's a demonstration on its own. Then you've got to break down the components because there's so many errors with this exercise. So thinking about long arms, talk about bringing the foot back to the center, so making sure that you're demonstrating on land and that the foot replaces the other one as close to as possible. And then you want to show that your body goes straight up. This is where I use the frame. So I'll grab the frame, I'll flip it around this way, and then I'll say now, lift the body vertically. So I want you lifting up vertically as you take your legs out to the side, and then arms going the opposite direction to where the legs are. So what's really interesting with this one is something that I've changed, is I'm going to talk about how high the leg needs to go to the side. You know, that used to be something I used to emphasize, lift your leg up high, but then I've got more of the tilt of the body as people are tempted to do that. And I've slowed the movement down and the feet landed wider. So they missed out on that amazing inner thigh workout and that work through the abdominals to try and stabilize that body. So I don't even talk about where how high the legs are going to go. It's all about the body lifting up vertically, the foot coming into the center, arms going the opposite way. And if there's any other point that I might make, it's you're bouncing your toes and trying to lift up vertically. And then finally, it's all about, you know, holding yourself and keeping your arms as stiff as possible so that the legs are straight. One little error that you want to look for on pull deck, you can only notice it in pull deck, is when they start to rotate their toe out and up. So, didn't talk about this in the water because, well, I was doing it correctly and it's a bit hard to sort of see it on camera. But you want to look for this rotation. Now, that rotation will happen because one, they're trying to lift their legs up really high. And for a lot of people, the way that the pelvis is designed and where how the femur is designed, it's not going to slide into that ball socket that high. They're not ballerinas. The second thing is it can be muscular imbalance. So get them to turn their toe forwards, and that's what you want, so that the side of the foot goes up to the side. And also align their posture there, because when they turn their toes out, they tend to look at the foot, keep the eyes looking forward. So that's another important cue, eyes looking forwards at you. So loads and loads of different parts of this. You might have to watch this video again to write down all the different components, but essentially these are the tips. So demonstrate the whole movement, indicate that where the foot needs to go to replace the other one. The body goes upwards, so lift up with the crown of your head. Your arms go the opposite direction to your legs, and you're bouncing off your toes. And that's this week's aqua tip.